Hey. Hey, you know what? He wants this to record, but it's doing me. Why is it doing? Okay.
And then go that way. There you go.
It's okay, it's okay. It really was. Anyway, that stuff has to come out. Okay, we're gonna just go ahead and lift this and we'll pull the roller down. There you go. Pull out. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to forgive our brother. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to shower him with his mercy. Allahumma ameen. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant his family the patience and acceptance of the destiny of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant him Jannatul Firdaus. Allahumma ameen. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam used to come to the graveside. He used to say a very famous statement. He used sallallahu alayhi wa sallam to say, لِمِثْلِ هَذَا فَأَعِدُّ. For the same occasion, for the same moment, for the same time, you should prepare yourself. And it's actually a reminder that every Muslim should prepare himself for that moment. That's why when it comes to the etiquette, the ethics of visiting the graveyards, it is mostly quiet, silence, reflecting, not talking, not even, chatting about dunya in that position, reflecting upon your brother, the one who was going, driving, walking, eating, drinking, enjoying, and once we leave, the angels will come down to ask him about his deeds, to ask him about the three questions. Who is your Lord? Who is your Master? And what's your religion? If he responded and say, my Master is Allah, my religion is Islam, my Prophet is Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, then they will give him the glad tidings, the good news. This is your spot, this is your place in Jannah. And then he will sleep so happy, enjoying, having the good impression that on the day of judgment he will have Jannatul Firdaus insha'Allah. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make his grave as part of Jannatul Firdaus. Ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. Jazakumullahu khairan. As we agreed with our Imam Jalal, we wouldn't make it so long for you. We will make it as quick as possible because you already spent long time in the masjid waiting for the Janaza. Jazakumullahu khairan. And now we have our Imam Sheikh Sayyid. Where's Sheikh Sayyid? And also Imam Jalal. Both of them, inshallah, will participate in making dua for our brother. Then we will start our rituals, inshallah. Yes, our Imam, here is the dua, inshallah.
make his qabr a place of Jannah. اللهم he's died of Islam. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. اللهم فرجه بالشهادة واجعل قبره روضة من رياض الجنة. Oh Allah, make his qabr comfortable for him. And give him the tasbih and answer the question from the angel. And give his family the sabr, the patience. Oh Allah, we ask you to forgive us when our time comes. اللهم forgive us when our time comes. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. إنا لله وإنا إليه راجعون. إنا لله وإنا إليه راجعون.
جزاكم الله خير.
We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, my dear respected brothers and sisters, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you for coming to honor your brother. We ask Allah Azza wa Jalla to forgive his sins. Oh Allah, this is your servant. This is your poor servant. He came to you and he returned to you. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Inna lillahi, we are belong to Allah Azza wa Jalla, and to him, inshaAllah Rabbil Alameen, we're going to return to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We ask Allah Azza wa Jalla to give him the light and the brights, inshaAllah Rabbil Alameen, in his grave. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to put his good deed with him, his pray, inshaAllah Rabbil Alameen. And we ask Allah Azza wa Jal to open the light and he see, inshaAllah Rabbil Alameen, in his Jannah, his place in Jannah, inshaAllah Rabbil Alameen. And we ask Allah Azza wa Jal to stand by him at this night, inshaAllah Rabbil Alameen. And it's gonna be he's gonna be inshaAllah super happy. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes him among the people they are happy in their grave. We ask Allah Azza wa Jal to make it wide, inshaAllah Rabbil Alameen, and to give him the Jannah with the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, with the highest place in Jannah al-Firdaus. Ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. May Allah bless you, my dear respected brothers and sisters. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you and reward your brother, inshaAllah Rabbil Alameen. And the best reward is the reward of the Jannah with the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. الفاتحة. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. جزاكم الله خير.
Barakallahu feekum. And inshallah, before we start the process, we just wanted to ask all of you, inshallah, all of you here, do you forgive our brother?
Yes.
Do you forgive him for anything that he made for you?
Yes.
His wife, his children, do you forgive him? Do you bear witness that he was a man who used to come to the masjid and he is a believer?
Yes.
Do you ask Allah to forgive him?
Ameen.
Do you ask Allah to show him his mercy?
Ameen. Yes.
Jazakumullah khairan. Barakallahu feekum. Let's give them a space here. You can move to this side.